Welcome to this assembly tutorial, guys. In this video we will be assembling this shaft support and the shaft. I have already made a video on how to make these two parts and I will provide the link in the description. Open assembly file, guys, because this time we will be working in the assembly file. Automatically this window will be opened and these are the parts we have modeled. These are extra part, but the shaft and the shaft support are there. So this is the shaft support. You can rotate these from here by using these XYZ axis, and you can place it here by clicking it. Change the background to plain white, and now insert component, and this is the shaft. Click on open and click here in this window to place it. And if you want to rotate it, you can select this rotate option and you can rotate. In assembly we mostly use this rotate option to properly orient the part. And now click on insert component and insert this second support. This is the same support, but we are going to use this 2 times. Now let's assemble these two supports. Let's align these first. I want to make them both of these parallel, so click on mate, then select this surface and this surface of these shaft supports, and now these are parallel with respect to each other when we select this parallel mate. Now check this box from here, and now these both supports are parallel. Alright, now click on mate again, and this time select the circumference of the shaft and this bore of the support, one of the support. You can select any support here, and this is the concentric mate. If it's not selected, you have to select it. Then check this box from here, and here you can see this is aligned now, but this support can still translate. Let me show you. There is translation motion which we have to prevent. For that, click on mate, select this surface of the shaft and this surface of the support, not the edge but the surface. Okay, and now let's see the other side, and they are not moving, but this support can move. Let me show you. This has a translation motion. We have to stop it, and here you can see this is not aligned. We have to align it. For that, click on mate and select this circumference of the previous support and this support, and now they are make sure that you have assigned this concentric relation. The concentric mate is used to align the circular parts, and now the shaft is aligned. Now we can fix it. So click on mate and select the shaft and this surface of the support. Make sure that you have selected this coincident mate, and now this is properly aligned and assembled. Let me just rotate it, or let me just give it some other appearance. Just drag and drop here and select this option, and that's how we assemble things in the assembly files. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.